Hi, I'm Dr. Muya from Glojas. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon.
In Malaysia, a board-certified plastic surgeon means he or she is registered with the Malaysian Medical Council (MMC), is registered with the National Specialist Register (NSR), and has licensing, credentialing, and privileging Chapter 3 under Ministry of Health Malaysia (MOH).
As a qualified plastic surgeon, we do a wide range of plastic surgery procedures, including hair transplant, breast and body contouring surgeries, as well as aesthetic procedures. If you have any health or beauty concerns, from head to toe, see you at Glojas, your one-stop beauty enhancement center.